Hey guys, Dave coming back at you with another Tesla Y install video. Today we're doing the screen protector for the center display. So stick around, we're going to do it from unboxing. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. Again, if you like these videos, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, because I'll keep doing some more videos. I've got some more accessories I want to install. But what I want to do is actually... So I actually got this from Abstract Ocean, their website. This is actually, and I'm going to do this with you guys so you can see kind of what comes in the box. I'm going to do it right here. So sorry about the weird camera angles and all. But, so you can see that we've got, looks like this fits a Tesla Model 3 and a Y. So I'm gonna have to find some stuff to open this, but all right, so we finally got these little stickers off. They were kind of a pain in the butt, but what I wanted to do was open this so you could see how this actually comes. So it looks like what comes in here is some cleaning wipes, maybe like a rub, and then it looks like on the back are actually these little stickers to get the little dust balls that might come off. Also what comes in is like this little tray thing that goes around the screen so you can line that up, and then obviously lastly, we've got the actual screen protector in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the camera set up, and we're going to go ahead and start to get this installed. Alright guys, so I finally got the camera set up here. Hopefully you'll be able to see, but the first thing that you're going to want to do is come into your main menu and actually go into your display and go to screen cleaning mode. You can see how nasty and fingerprinted up my current display is, hence the reason why we're going to do this. It doesn't mean that I'm not getting anything on the screen itself when the screen protector is on, but I'm hoping that it will be a little less, you know, you'll be able to see these fingerprints and grease. So you can see like this wipe already does a pretty good job already, just kind of cleaning those off. So what we want to do is get this thing really clean. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe it down there. Then I'm going to open up this, probably this alcohol wipe here. And we'll give it another wipe down with this. We'll make sure we get all of this, because this all comes down to making sure that this is absolutely clean for this to go on. And hopefully I don't screw this up. Okay. So it looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is wipe it down again with this. This microfiber towel actually looks like it's kind of putting some kind of electric charge. Not that this display doesn't already have that already, but you can kind of see over here, like I've got the sun at my back, so I really get to see some of these dust bunnies that are sticking on here. But that's all I'm doing is taking this little sticker and I'm just setting it. I'm not dragging it, I'm just trying to set it, and I can see the sunlight's coming in at an angle, so I can really pick up if I've got any extra dust on the screen. I think that's pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this holder, which actually it shows that this is up, and we're going to put that on there. That's pretty snug fit. It almost looks okay. So now what we have is our holder. And you can see even this thing is kind of hanging on to some dust itself. So I'm going to try to clean this off. And on the back is a sticker, which, so we're going to peel this film off. I'm not even going to dry fit it. I'm just going to just go for it. So we're going to set that inside. And then we're going to push that in. And then we're just going to kind of rub it. And you should be able to see that it's kind of self-adhesive a little bit on the screen. Now, I ended up going with the clear because I like the quality of the screen. And I didn't want any of this to be muted of any kind. So I went ahead and got the clear coat. And yeah, that looks pretty good. And you could see that literally just took me just a quick second. And yeah, that was actually quite easy. I'm going to get you a close up. But because of that frame, it actually helped it sit really nice inside. So that looks just a slight off. But that's pretty darn good, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hold to exit. Yeah. And that's what that looks like. So you can see there's still a slight reflection on there, but it still has a great display. So right now it's at 19%, but if we go way bright on there, you can see that doesn't affect it at all. You know, I like my screen setting to actually be a little bit on the low side. It's still set to auto, but yeah, I don't really like mine to be incredibly bright because it's kind of distracting, but yeah, so incredibly easy to install. Do I think that I'm gonna ever crack the display or do anything to do that? No, but you know, this is basically the heart of the car, is the display and the computer, so why not protect it? I've got young kids, so who knows. But yeah, so that's the installation of the screen protector on the Tesla Y from Abstract Ocean. Really easy, feels great on there, fits really well. And yeah, so right now I'm pretty happy that I have it on. You know, look at that beautiful sky behind me. I mean, it's the absolute first thing that everybody says is the roof on this is brilliant. So, but anywho, guys, I appreciate you guys checking in. You can see this took me, I don't know, maybe 4 minutes to install. So super easy. Is it worth it? I guess we'll soon find out if it is, but for now I'm hoping to keep down those fingerprints and protect the screen a little bit. But if you have any questions or anything about the installation, let me know. If you like this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up as well. Remember, if you guys are going to buy a Tesla, do it through someone's referral. I'll put my referral below here, but if you follow another one of your favorite YouTubers or know a family or friend, ask them what the referral code is, order it through that. You get some free miles. Anyway, check in. I'm going to do a front license plate install soon, and I've also ordered a wrap for the to cover the piano black interior, because I'm getting a lot of dust and fingerprints there too. All right, guys, have a good one. Thanks.